Tired of running out of power on the job? In this video, we reveal the best welder generators that every welder needs. From unstoppable power to fuel efficiency, these beasts are built to handle any job site challenge. Whether you're repairing, building, or out in the field, these top picks will blow you away. Don't miss out. Links are waiting in the description box so you can grab yours today before they're gone. Number 1 is the Lincoln Ranger 330 MPX, which raises the bar for engine-driven welder generators. With 330 amps of welding output and 11,000 watts of auxiliary power, it's built to handle stick, MIG, TIG, and flux core applications on demanding job sites. Its Kohler engine delivers reliable, fuel-efficient performance while keeping noise levels low, making it easier to work in populated or noise-sensitive areas. Compact and lighter than many in its class, the 330 MPX mounts easily on trucks and trailers, saving space without sacrificing power. Rugged construction ensures it stands up to the abuse of construction, repair, and mobile welding work. More than a welder, it doubles as a dependable power source, keeping tools, lights, and operations running strong. For professionals who need toughness, portability, and performance in one machine, the Ranger 330 MPX is a clear choice. Number 2 is the Lincoln Electric Ranger 225, which packs reliable performance into a smaller, more affordable engine-driven welder. Delivering 225 amps of welding power and 9,000 watts of continuous generator output, it's perfectly suited for mid-size projects where versatility and durability matter. Supporting stick, MIG, TIG, and flux core processes, this unit is powered by a dependable Kohler engine that ensures smooth, long-lasting operation. Its rugged steel frame and weather-resistant design make it tough enough for demanding outdoor environments. Compact yet capable, the Ranger 225 is a smart fit for independent welders, contractors, and farmers who want professional-grade results without overspending. Durable, portable, and efficient, it strikes the right balance between power, performance, and value. Number 3 is the HOBART Champion 145, a straightforward, no-fuss engine-driven welder generator built for portability and value. With 145 amps of DC welding power and 4,000 watts of continuous generator output, 4,500 watts peak, it delivers exactly what's needed for field repairs and remote power. Designed as a stick-only welder, it may not offer multi-process versatility, but it shines in reliability, smooth arc performance, and long run times. Weighing just 247 pounds, it's light enough to load into a truck bed and relocate with minimal effort. Ranchers, farmers, and repair professionals count on the Champion 145 for dependable operation in tough conditions. Affordable, compact, and rugged, it's an ideal choice for anyone needing steady welding and auxiliary power on the go. Number 4 is the TOMAHAWK 15 horsepower engine-driven welder generator, a practical option for those who want mobility and affordability in one package. Delivering up to 210 amps for stick welding and equipped with a 2,000-watt generator, it's designed for light to medium repair work, farm maintenance, and occasional field jobs. While it doesn't match the heavy output of larger models, its 15 horsepower engine provides steady performance, and inverter technology ensures clean, stable power for tools and electronics. Compact and easy to transport, it's a solid fit for users who value convenience over maximum capacity. For budget-conscious welders needing reliable functionality without excess bulk, the TOMAHAWK is a smart and efficient choice. Last number is the ESAB RUFFIAN ES150G, a rugged, mid-range welder generator built for professionals who need dependable performance without excessive bulk. Offering 150 amps of stick welding power and up to 4,500 watts of auxiliary output, it's ideal for medium-duty fieldwork, maintenance, and job site support. Its reinforced frame and compact footprint make it both tough and easy to transport, while advanced arc starting technology ensures smooth, consistent welds. Fuel efficiency and straightforward controls add to its practicality, letting users get to work quickly with minimal setup. Though limited to stick welding, the Ruffian earns trust through ESAB's long-standing reputation for durability and support, making it a reliable choice for contractors and tradespeople alike. Thanks for watching our breakdown of the best welder generators. Whether you're tackling big construction projects, pipeline work, or field repairs, the right generator can make all the difference. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more reviews, and drop a comment with your go-to welder generator. Don't forget, links to all the featured models are in the description box below, so check them out and get the power you need today.